I just broke up with my ex. Now I'm already single, I don't really know what's next. But I ain't even tripping, I'ma chill and sit back. My life will be coming from the right and the left, left, left. I just broke up with my ex, and you know I don't feel like as I lay it on your chest. Got a conversation, got me holding my breath. And I don't know when I say this, but goddamn you the best, the best, best. And if it feels right, promise I don't mind. And if it feels right, promise I will stay here all night.
yes, this is the finishing look. Bring you guys in close so you can see my eyes. This is what my eyes look like. I did use this Prism palette. It's by Prism changeable fantasy palette. So this is the palette that I use. It's also the dupe for the James Charles. So I showed you guys on camera the colors that I did go in with, and I told you I wanted to play more with this palette, and I absolutely love this palette. If you guys have not yet picked this palette up, I don't know what y'all waiting for, because sister, I ain't finna give James Charles my money, because this worked just as good as his, because these colors are pigmented, honey. What? Look. Like, bruh, like, I am freaking loving this, and I wanted to try something different because I'm always using the same colors. So today, yes, honey, yes, I'm loving this look. I'm feeling myself, and I'm wearing Dream Chaser by More Lashes by Tiffany. I'm getting confused because she did change over her name from More Lashes by Tiffany to morebeauty.com. So these are in Dream Chaser. I'm also wearing one of her Hydro Gloss today in Cafe. This is the color, and I just lined my lips with a brown lip liner, and I'm loving how this look came out. I'm feeling myself. I need to take a picture. Take a picture. Click, click, baby. Yeah. So I absolutely love this look, as you guys can tell. I'm loving my eyes. This is my first time wearing some lashes this long. Yeah, so what do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know how you feel about this look. I added some glitter to the little top, you know, so it could pop right in there. So yeah. If you guys have any more ideas on anything that you want me to do or any other videos, please leave them in the comment section down below. I constantly tell you guys that. Overall, like, I'm really feeling this look, so it's like I don't got much to say. Oh my God, where have you been? This palette is bomb. You ain't got this? Y'all ain't got this? If y'all don't go on Amazon and grab this palette, y'all playing games. Y'all really playing games, because this palette, honey, this palette was worth my little $11.99. I think I got paid for $11.99. I also did a review on that. I'll leave that in the leave it up here so y'all can go ahead and check it out. But this is the first time, like, I actually played in the colors, so this is the most dramatic look I ever done using that palette. But this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, happy Mother's Day to everybody. You know, if you have pets, you have nieces and nephews that you take care of, happy Mother's Day. I don't know if this is going to come out before Mother's Day or after Mother's Day, but if it does come out before, happy Mother's Day. If it comes out after, happy Mother's Day. Let me know what you guys did for Mother's Day, and if you guys enjoyed your day. And yeah, that pretty much completes this video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, and give your girl some thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.